My name is Lickliter-Mundon. I'm the guest curator of the Mysteries of the Deep exhibition here at the Intrepid Museum. My favorite artifact in the exhibition has to be some of the items off the Monterey shipwrecks. They were found in the Gulf and researched and documented by a consortium of scientists and researchers. And the items that were brought up are so well preserved and intact after the preservation and treatment that they went through at Texas A&M University. Going on display now, they just are really representative of some of the finds that you look at on shipwrecks. I'm happy to have my dive suit on display here. I think that visitors will be able to see that it shows what kind of gear we have to put on every single time that we go under the water and what we physically have to have on our bodies as we do our work underwater. I think that underwater archaeology matters, especially today and especially to people who are up and coming, because it's really one of the final frontiers. I know that that's a term that's bandied about, but in terms of areas that we know relatively nothing about, so much of our history, so much of the things that people used to hold dear, so much of the events that used to happen are now under the water. I think that anybody can get passionate about what is down there and find something for themselves or for history.